Hi everyone, this is the Capsos and Ucof collaboration challenge lock, or Christmas challenge lock. It's the decoration on the lock there. It's a 5-pin sterling originally, a Yale key. I'm not going to say too much about this because there are some guys ahead of the year. Behind me in the queue rather, to have yet to have a go at this. I'm going to use my usual setup to begin with. Slight hook. I'm not going to come and take this as I would normally, just to avoid giving away too much. Oops, there's a tension wrench. Alright, let's it open. Yeah, it's kind of a lock of two halves that. You've got the front two and the back two pins kind of almost in pairs, and then you've got this kind of barrier in between on pin 3 to kind of navigate your way around. And we have an excellent challenge lock, lots of interesting pins in there I'm sure. And a good fun pick. So thanks to Capsos and Ucof for putting this together and letting me have a go. And thank you for watching. See you next time.